5 brutal truths about money. You want to get rich? Start by facing these brutal truths no one talks about. Truth number 1. The system is designed to keep you poor. The rich don't want you to get rich. Our financial system, education, even culture is built to maintain the status quo. Rich stay richer, poor stay poor. Every tax, every financial advice from mainstream media, every loan you take, it's part of a trap. Accepting this is the first step to breaking free. Truth number 2. Money is a reflection of your self-worth. Not your job title, not your degree, but your self-worth. If you don't believe you deserve wealth, you won't create it. Stop blaming the economy or others. Fix your mindset first. Respect money. Treat it like a partner, not a tool. Truth number 3. Education is a scam. When it comes to money, schools teach you how to be a good employee, not how to be financially free. They teach you to earn, not to build wealth. They don't teach you about taxes, investments, debt management, the real money game. You must self-educate or remain a slave to the system. Truth number 4. Debt is not always the enemy. The problem isn't debt itself, but how you use it. Bad debt buries you. Good debt builds you. Understanding this difference separates the wealthy from the broke. Learn to use debt as leverage, not a burden. Truth number 5. Your comfort zone is your biggest wallet killer. Most people wait to feel ready. A better job, more money, less risk. But comfort is a slow death for your wallet. Staying safe means watching your potential and money vanish. Real wealth is built in discomfort, risk, and uncertainty. If you're waiting for comfort, you're losing. Final thought: if you want real change, you must face these truths, no matter how uncomfortable. Drop a comment if you're ready to wake up and fight back. Subscribe if you're done with lies and ready for truth.